Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog beds that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Friends Forever Orthopedic Dog Bed. The outside material the bed is created with holds up terribly well, does not stain or simply absorb liquid, urine, vomit, drool. Hair does not infix into the material and comes off simply with a household appliance, otherwise you will dampen your hand with a wet rag. Run your hand across the material to get rid of the hair. The seams are also stitched well and also the zippers are of excellent quality. This bed was actually designed with an understanding of dogs and also the desires of the pet owner. The outer cover is well created with zippers to get rid of it in order that the cover will be washed. It holds up well once washed, cold water, and dried, low heat. Another tremendous plus is that the removable, zippered, waterproof liners, one covers the bolster and also the alternative the pad itself. If your dog ought to vomit, urinate or alternative liquid spills occur, it will not flow into the pad or bolster batting and start to smell because you cannot wash the particular pad or batting on any dog bed. Another plus is that additionally to the surface cover, the waterproof covers will be removed and washed, as well. Moving on, at number 4, we have the PetFusion Ultimate Dog Bed. These are the main features of this dog bed: 6 cm thick solid foam mattress for first-class comfort, joint comfort, better health and movement. Support pillow with recycled eco-friendly polyester lining, durable twill polyester 65% and cotton twill 35%. Just look at the design. Optimum support mattress and pillow for maximum comfort, water repellent and tear-resistant coating, non-slip bottom, fits easily into your environment. Removable covers are sold separately. It is also easy to care. The removable cover can be washed in a washing machine, stains and hair are easily removed. The pillows are already in the cover. All you have to do is insert a cold foam mattress and close the zipper. At number 3, we have the Barks Bar Grey Orthopedic Dog Bed. When it comes to buying a comfortable bed for your pooch, look no further than this Amazon bestseller, which provides great ease for small, medium and large dogs over 100 pounds. The bed has both cotton packing and orthopedic foam, which will help to decompose your dog's neck and spine when he is resting. In addition to a convenient place to call your friend home, this bed has a rubber non-stick protection that will prevent it from slipping on the floor. It is also very easy to remove the cover and wash it. More than 2,000 reviewers agree that this bed is the best for dogs, from large Dobermans to small Yorks, from older dogs to puppies. At number 2, we have the Best Friends by Sherry Calming. It's incredibly soft and well padded on the sides and the bottom. The interior edges are deep enough that your pet can't burrow into them. A self-heating sunbed makes a special 2-layer filler. The first polyfill layer acts as an excellent heat insulator. The second layer with a special metallized filler reflects the accumulated heat back to your pet. Among the additional advantages of the filler, one can distinguish its excellent wear resistance, crush resistance and elasticity with high softness. And finally, at number 1, we have the PetSure Orthopedic Memory Foam Dog Bed. The PetSure Lounger organizes your pet a warm, relaxing place without the use of electricity. The soft fabric of the cover, high wide side, comfortable litter, high-quality filler, everything works to ensure that the animal feels comfortable in the cold season. The manufacturer has taken care of additional bonuses for you: a fashionable design of the cover, which is very practical to use, as well as convenient care for the sunbed with the possibility of cleaning in the washing machine. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.